Alright, busting open a box of the new National Treasures Baseball 2014. Never opened this stuff up, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright. Let's see what we get. Javier Bays. Colossal Alex Gordon. $54.99. Colossal Justin Upton. $37.99. Thurman Lee Munson out of 99. Good old redemptions. Rookie silhouette autograph gold. Alexander Bogarts. Rookie Colossal. Marcus Seaman out of 99. Archie Bradley silhouette on card autograph out of 99. Pretty sweet. 10 of 10. Jason Kipnis. That is nice. 10 of 10. And the booklet is 5 of 5. Legends. Eddie Matthews. Pretty nice. I like this stuff. 500 home run club. 5 of 5. Alright, thanks for watching.